pick bacon.
This is not bacon. This is like...
What do you think it is?
I think it's the box that goes through like a box of matches or something.
Oh, those are... Right. We're supposed
Black snake
we're
fireworks?
supposed to light those with boom boom sauce on it.
What are black snake fireworks?
I don't know.
Strike it on that.
Strike it on what?
Yes, look at this. Feels like it'd work. Wait, we gotta get sauce. Put a little sauce on it.
That's enough.
What is it called?
This is the black boom boom black snake firework.
Okay. This guy.
You can't find an actual lighter?
No.
Go get one.
This.
There it is. Oh my god. What are they? God damn it, dude. Fuck. I can't. This is ridiculous. Get a ton of matches at once. We can light one at the stove. Then as we move, we'll light one. And then we'll light it.
No more cubes?
I'll be excited when it's no more boom booms.
Yeah. That's definitely the best option. Yeah, in the front of the house.
Let's go.
All right, let's get the brick.